Look, come on, Lucas. Show them what you've got. Come. Oh, okay. You wanna come with me here? Come closer to the sea while they are setting up the campsite. So this is what we found for our campsite. We are here at Fujairah. It's a state, another state in Dubai, United Arab. No, a different state in United Arab Emirates. Dubai is another one. And we travel from Dubai all the way down here just to experience good overnight camping. And look at that, Boon. Bean, look, there's a mountain in the middle of the sea. Wow, isn't it cute? Wow.
It's a little bit near. You just need to zoom like a little bit.
It's so far when you actually do it. Oh, look, there's a lot of big rocks.
But armies could do that. They can do it.
Yeah.
Because they're already trying.
It's so pretty, right, B? But we have to be careful.
There's so much stones. Where are the stones from?
That's our ate. Hi, Gab.
Hello.
Oh.
The water smells so salty.
Yeah, it is. And it's refreshing, isn't it? Oh, they started fishing already.
Yeah.
Look at them. They're fishing. Hello, Kuya. Nang? Kanina, dito. Kita din ako. Yeah, I saw them both.
But
They're just standing. They left.
They left in the car.
Mountains surrounding the beach.
Look, guys, it's so
It's nice.
so.
It's nice. So we're here. Okay, tell them your experience, how it feels like washing hands in the sea, in the Sea of Fujairah. Maybe it is something different than what we normally do. What? Is it special? Yeah, it is special because the water, is different, right, Boon?
Yeah, it's so close now.
Yeah. Okay, let me just sit in here. Give Boon. You're getting a good spot.
Oh,
It's cold.
so nice. Not. It's not cold. It's warm.
Yeah, it's warm. Let me check.
It's not really cold. But it's perfect.
Yeah, wow, I love to go in the sea to swim.
When I could go to the floaty.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh no.
What happened to you? Why?
You take a swim.
No problem, it's fine. Atar, yeah? Rubber? Rubber trees look like
actually,
this?
there's a history. Before, back then in UAE, what they do is whenever they invented ship and they put like bitumen, they're called bitumen.
Huh?
Bitumen.
Okay.
It's a sticky tar. They coat their ship with it, so it's gonna be resistance of what we're gonna. We studied about it in UAE social studies.
That's good to know. Because I saw earlier, yeah, that's the same spot I saw where it has this thick thing and it's leaking from the branch. At first I thought that the last camper just spilled the oil in there, but it's not. It comes from the branch itself.
Yeah, they use that. They coat their ship.
So let's go to the sandy beach. We go. We're going.
Di ba ito nagdala na?
We're looking for the kids. Kuya JM is here. Missing is Gabi and Lucas and their dad. This place is actually cool because the other side of it got some big rocks, and then if you go further down, there are fine sands. But definitely not this one because it still looks like the same place where we camp. Look at their camping site. Yeah, it's a big trailer. No? May satellite pa doon. Guys, look! Over there, there are several mountains complement each other. And here, bodies of water. Well, obviously. You see that, Dong? Can you zoom in? There's one guy standing there. I saw when I wear my glasses. I wear daddy. I saw daddy. And we just saw Pennywise house. Yeah, definitely. JM checked on it and it's confirmed. We're on our way to find missing cubs.
UM. Company.
Yeah. So there you go, the beach. Nice one. It's still hot. It's 2 p.m. and it's still, we are in winter season, almost ending winter season. And I think this is around 30 degrees Celsius. One more big wave, please, for Gabi. Order coming up.
Bagong yung mga ano mo, ha?
Da, boom bam. Coming up ng order mo. Shusha.
Sharky, get the sharky.
Daddy. What happened?
Where's Ninang Pam?
Huh?
Where's Ninang Pam?
They're there in the tent. Ninang and Ninang.
Where do you go to Pam?
Both are there.
That's for me too.
This one is so sharp. Look. Grabe ang tour niya. Ano, grabe pagid kayo ka sturdy. Sturdy. Big. Watch.
Oh, lolo.
Wala ka, patay tayo ni Ninang. Look here.
Ano yung bakit?
Yeah, finish na.
Oh my goodness, I'm running away. Do not come close to the girl. Do not come closer.
God, what will you do then? If it's you, though.
I will not pee at all.
But you put plastic inside the thing, the bucket.
Umihilag talaga straight sa bucket.
Oo nga eh.
Isang that?
Fishing prohibited.
Baho talaga ng trees.
Grabe ang car, oh. Nasa ano talaga siya, sa gitna ng kahoy. What's up, man? Ang bango ng fishy.
Part 1, part 2. Part 2 yung mga inaano yung mga balat.
Ah, I can smell the fish. So, delicious. Delicious.
Nice, right? That side niya.
Yeah.
Kani pa din hiba.
Oh.
Bakit mang lakaw ni nga iring din ha ba? Pira yung sa duro direct.
Where's God Lucas?
I'm trying to wake him up.
Ah, sleeping. Alright. That's okay. We hang our clothes in here. And we started cooking for dinner. What we have is rice, and the chef is preparing the coal for barbecue.
Rice and rice.
Rice and rice.
Barbecue rice.
Barbecue rice. Check that out. It's a small butane stove. And that's the rice cooking in the coal for barbecue, Cebu style.
Oh, Cebu style talaga.
Yeah. Okay, coming. Perfect crepes.
Yes.
Is it wala pa gina maon?
Yeah, what? Did you know?
Oh, you did. Okay.
Yeah.
So, snacks first.
Snacks first?
First things
Chef,
first.
Yeah? Snacks?
Feed the chef.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so what we have?
We need the fuel for chef.
No, that
Chef
one
fuel.
thing, you put it near to the
Near.
barbecue thing.
So this is the secret of the night.
Yeah, it's a top secret.
Samok-samok.
Top secret.
Dinhin lang nito. Na.
Yeah.
Yeah, careful with the knife, boy.
It's not even cutting the packet, fam. It's not job.
So the chef said we have to start with chicken
Chicken. Okay.
because those are big pieces. So the longer the time.
JM here, there's children, there is
You know what? Ports, I think this one's not stable. Oh my god.
Huh?
It's off, then the whole thing will... Okay, I'll just put
Like a flat
down
stone. Oh, there. You have it there. Oh, yeah.
Saan ba? Dito lang to?
Okay, that's how we do it. That's how it's done. Yeah, that one's okay.
No, camp here.
Oh, may piatos tayo, no? Mga ano?
What did you say?
Ayun
nila Lucas eh.
Kapuhang anong...
Chips, din may chips dun.
Kanang...
More rocks?
Di kanang murag flat lang
Flat
siya.
na ano slab. Okay.
Let's put it here. Oh,
For
yeah.
one, man.
Number one. Thank you.
Imagine. Thank you, boss. Wait, do you have like a What's your still on?
Yeah. Oops, sila.
Okay.
Ah, stop. Stop.
Just in case. So yeah, we marinated this overnight. Chicken and pork. Interesting. Back to basics, guys. Back to basics. No electricity, just plain old good charcoal. That brings out the taste of your meat. I have a look. Look at the rice, steaming hot rice, almost done. And that's our barbecue. You should smell this yummy taste of the barbecue.
My dad.
And we're doing that close to the sea, Kuya JM.
No.
And around, we're surrounded by mountains.
We don't know.
Hala, so nice. The smell of the barbecue. Smells like aluginsan. Perfect smell. Perfect. Perfect. That's so good. And
Rice is life.
we put a little bit water because it's too dry. Look at that.
How long does it take for
And the
one
chef
side
was
to cook?
checking on it and he said it's a little bit too
Roughly
dry.
a piece of chicken normally takes about 15 minutes.
Yeah,
15 minutes each
the
side?
chef
No,
said.
Each side is about 8.
The apprentice. The apprentice. And
Gusto man ite. This is for the whole, whole
Evening.
of us here.
Yeah, for the whole gang camp.
Yeah, all the people who are camping, I think this is all for us.
It's a lot.
So remove this.
I will do it now.
Yes.
Because it's too
I don't know.
annoying there. Yeah. It's too annoying there.
This is
It is
anato.
Anato seeds.
That gives a nice color.
Do you use that, chef? Anato seeds
And that's one time I be used it in the restaurant.
for barbecue or
No.
something else?
We cooked fish in it.
Ah,
When you
fish.
cook this fish, it goes, the whole fish becomes to like orange yellow.
Ah, just for the color,
Yeah,
for the
just for the
to
color.
change the color,
So the white fish will just
Mm.
look like
like
pink, orange,
orange.
color.
Yeah. Nice. Okay.
I'm hungry now. Doing
Yeah,
this
keep
makes me so
painting.
hungry.
Keep brushing. Brushing.
Keep
Yes,
brushing.
yummy.
And then chef bathing also. I need to
Fortunately,
dab
our
it.
neighbors were getting hungry also. So.
I need to dab that one.
Going to look at the baby waving at you, like
I hope they will
baby.
not,
Not yet, eh.
We need our chef's consultation.
Chicken.
Mag-ano na
Padung mo
lang.
dito. Padung
Uy,
mo dito.
I think we have to
Okay,
mix it.
huh?
What?
I think we have to mix it
Mix what?
with a porky because if it's gonna be all porky smell later, maybe somebody will. What is this? No, that's not what you want. You think?
Oh, it's okay. Layo mo talaga.
Only the bud.
Layo ang ano? Hindi naman siguro lang po sila
Saan nila
nagbaho
na?
dito.
Ang gablihan nila sa kinan nila dyan. Ang gablihan nila. Sud gali ang baho sa baho. Haram.
See, they're doing it from there.
Oh, there. Oh. See?
The birds will fly to the municipality.
Oh my God.
Report.
Boy, don't say that, boy.
Ninang is don't see that.
Sila wala na sila ano, tanaw ports, wala na sila tent, diretso sila.
Yeah,
No?
this one is not overnight. I think they
You will just eat, picnic
and
only,
then
like a picnic.
They will do barbecue
Barbecue.
and go home. Oh my God, that's so cute.
Ang baby. Of course, ang baby tanaw nagkamang-kamang
The
siya.
baby is so cute. Imagine the baby will crawl until the rocky beach.
So, ang baby mo crawl diri sa tong barbecue. Ha? Kaya ba? One buboy.
Give me
One buboy, please.
Swift, now let's change roles. You'll be the one to wrap the meat with the seasoning, and I will just put this thing.
You like a little bit black?
Musmile ang gizzard. Mal gizzard. Yes. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Ouch. Ah! Natusok tuloy noon ko to, ara.
Edit lang.
Edit lang ang Lisod ba ya siya, to be honest?
Ah, yeah.
No.
No, that one you can just, yeah,
Call
just
the bird, call the bird.
pagpag.
Yeah.
No, it's okay. Put it down there again. It's okay.
Oh my gosh.
Nobody.
You want to do this, guys? Oh, the sunset. Oh.
Gusto nyo kasi uminom ng tubig. Lukas naman drink water.
Did he eat a lot of those junk foods?
No, it's not. It doesn't even make me full as well.
Okay, thank you, Ga, for monitoring your brother's wellness.
Fourth off. One more in die. Give me one more skewer die.
I think the other one now.
Another skewer.
Pollution. We have a lot. Oh, drumstick?
Oh, pare.
You still need? I have. You want me to put now, Chef?
It's okay, okay yan.
Yes.
Kakain ako ng madami.
Hala, ito na. So I'll just mix this with the bones.
Yeah. This is life.
This is so living the life.
Living the life.
Living the
Gordon
life.
Ramsay, who we only know Chef Adrian.
Retiree. Yeah. Exactly. You are the marketing part of the chef. They're so good.
You need a plate for that one when it's done.
Yeah, I think
Luckily, there's not much what you think flies, right?
Paprika.
Yeah, it's nice here because there's no, I mean, there's flies, but
Not that much.
like few.
Oh, look. Good and bad.
One more skewer here.
Looks like spoon and
Okay, I need one more skewer, please.
Look at this one. Careful, that's sharp.
Pangita din ha.
Bro, the pork will come. Ay, sorry. Thank you, bro. Oh, sunset time. Is it? Yeah. Right? So beautiful. Sunset at Fujairah. Yay! Look at that.
Amazing.
See, it's so beautiful, and we're camping out here overnight. Clothes. Kids are actually they're enjoying so much. These kids are always just inside the house, and this is the first time that we are doing this as a family. Oh, the big sister. Yeah, the big sister is coloring her hair. Daddy. Ah, si Daddy.
Tapos
Ano? What happened? Is this not non-toxic dye?
it's not. Yeah, this
Oh,
is, I mean, it's removable, I think.
Okay.
Come here.
Good job,
Let me see
ate.
yours.
Good job.
Let me see yours.
This is the smell that I was wondering which kind of perfume that.
Let me see.
it smells good though.
Yeah, it smells good.
Ah, okay. Really?
Yeah, it smells
Oh,
good.
yeah.
It's like
It's like,
Bambini
it's not
cologne.
toxic.
Ah, okay, that's good.
He's
Thanks.
so guapo.
Yeah.
Let me
Because
see.
you want
Luque.
full
Thanks for
head.
making
Full
him
head.
look good.
Luque,
Come here, let's do more.
Luque, let me see your hair.
Oh
wow.
Big black board.
That's our chair.
Are you done with
the red?
Those are chairs. Yep.
That stories are so scary moments. Brings shiver to my spine. Shivers to my spine. No, please. So yummy.
Foodie.
Prepared by Chef Adrian.
Yes, of course. Nonetheless. Oh my god, that's a full-blown disco light in the oasis. So cute. Now we're ready to eat.
I fixed the bed. Don't you like it? Hey, we have another lantern.
Yeah, we have another
The box can get
lantern.
inside.
Pati bang linis?
Yes, very good.
Yeah, say thank you. Oh my god, this is our dinner setting tonight. And the food menu
Oh, this one died here.
menu
Yan ang save na.
is
Save that one.
barbecue
Ah, yeah, like that.
Cebu, barbecue de Cebu.
One for you.
Dili lagi ba ano
One for
pork?
me, one for me, one for me. No,
Yeah, but
Wala.
it's better to...
Dili ka siya hayag.
It fell down in the ano.
You didn't tell me.
fell
Why did you
down
tell me?
my
Pathway.
God,
The thing,
In the
bowl.
bowl. But I mean,
In the bowl of the what?
in the bowl
The
that
ulam?
my
Food.
auntie was carrying kasi it's ano kanang walang takop ba?
Yeah.
And then how did it happen when it cannot be just from kuan man to siya kapatid bangat yung news 2000 nakatugaling news na siya kuya nga di ba mag-uwan daw ka ng mag-uwan daw kayo hindi na ako kaya sa power
Di siguro pwede makana ang tao dahil, no? Parang, nasa yung tawag yung mga na? Snoopy Island?
Snoopy Island
Snoopy Island na siya?
oh Snoopy Island
Pero sa makatungtong ka diyan, di? Muna kay speedboat.
man siguro na ka ng
Walang, batura siya.
go there by
Speedboat.
oh parang ganon
Jet ski ka.
magsakayan
Oh, ka nice.
ay grabe very emote man
What's that thing?
food and it's still careful Gabi
Be sunrise, Be. Good morning, Bun Bun. Lucas is there. Kapit pa madagma. JM slippers got torn.
No, ako is only wearing Ate slippers.
fixing it
Ate will never have any slippers now.
Who is?
Ate, she will not have slippers anymore.
One snail. yeah. It crunches.
like Marimar
Crunchy. Mag-picture mo daw taon niya. I mean si Mr. Rolf, di ba?
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Itong mga
it's from the mountain
Sige. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Yay!
Take
That's
picture.
nice, Mr. Raouf. Thank you.
Mr. Rolf.